Hello everyone and Miss Nur Hazima. My name is Mukris Anais bin Saleh Muhammad with number matrix 07 DLS 19F 2071. Today we are going to present in topic warehouse operation. We choose a public warehouse because it is a company that provides business for a month-to-month basis with a long-term or short-term storage. Payment could be mix of storage fees or transaction entry and outbound charge. Provides inventory management, actual inventory reports, and shipment capabilities. Pay its client for the processed inventory at a certain amount, capacity of the facility used, and facilities that consumer want to use. This provider is responsible for the cost and transfer made to the client according to the amount they're paying. Provide a variety of labor options to business, including selection, packaging tools, for inventory management, and committee workers. There are three types of public warehouse. First is general merchandise warehouse, second special commodity warehouse, and third cold storage warehouse. First, I will explain about general merchandise warehouse. The warehouse where goods of imperishable nature such as raw materials, semi-finished, finished goods, and other business commodities are kept is called general merchandise warehouse. Producers, wholesalers, and retailers keep their goods in such warehouse paying certain rent. In this warehouse, goods are kept safe from weather change. Such warehouse do not need arrangement of special temperature, humidity, or any daily operation. Secondly, I will explain about special commodity warehouse. This type of warehouse is used to store the goods, especially agro product and other special natures commodities. Special arrangements of warehouse is made for different nature goods. For example, separate arrangements are made to different nature goods. For example, it is made to store agro product like foodstuff, wool, jute, cotton, tobacco, tea, coffee, and for fuels like petroleum, coal, chemicals, and other special nature goods. Such warehouses are called special commodity warehouse. Besides that, I will explain about cold storage warehouse. The warehouse in which perishable goods are stored such as fish meat, vegetables, fruits, eggs, cheese, butter, and other dairy products, drinks, medicine, and more. It is known as cold storage warehouse. Such goods are kept in cold storage warehouse to protect them from heat, air, humidity, pollution, and more. An arrangement of artificial chilling system types is made in such warehouse. Nowadays, all types of perishable product can be kept safe in cold storage warehouse and can be made available in market around the year. Such warehouse is also called refrigerated warehouse. Next, I will explain about types of goods. Conventional goods in general could mean everyday mundane objects available for sale. The example of conventional goods is electronic, spare part, book and packaged goods, dry and liquid goods, and more. About material handling equipment encompass a diverse range of tools, vehicles, storage units, appliances, and accessories involved in transporting, storing, controlling, enumerating, and protecting product at any stage of manufacturing, distribution, consumption, or disposal. First, I will explain about racks, such as pallet racks, drive-through or drive-in racks, push-back racks, and sliding racks are a basic but important method of storage, saving floor space while keeping their content accessible. Secondly is stacking frames. Stacking frames are stackable like blocks, as their name implies. They allow crushable pallets of inventory, such as containers of liquid, to be stacked to save space without damage. Third, conveyor systems come in variety of types, depending on what they are meant to transport, including vibrating, overhead, chain, vertical, and apron conveyor. Finally, shelves, bin, and drawer. Shelves, another basic storage method, are less open than rack. It is used with bins and drawers. They are able to keep smaller and more difficult to manage materials and products, store and organize. Shelves can include boltless, cantilever, revolving, and tie down.
Hello again. My name is Muhammad Fazli bin Kamardin. My match number is 07 DLS3B 2055. Okay. I'm going to explain about the process of warehouse operation. Okay. There are 6 types of process in this warehouse operation. Okay. First of all, receiving. Receiving is the first warehouse process and one of the most crucial. Okay. To perform the receiving process properly, the warehouse should be able to verify that it has received the right product in the right quantity, in the right condition, and at the right time. Failing to do so will have consequent impact on all subsequent operations. Receiving also involves the transfer of responsibility for the goods to the warehouse. This places accountability on the warehouse for maintaining the condition of goods until they are shipped. Properly receiving cargo allow you to filter out damaged goods and avoid liability for them. Secondly, put away is the second warehouse process and is the movement of goods from receiving dock to the most optimal warehouse storage location. Failing to place goods in their most ideal location can impair the productivity of warehouse operation. When goods are put away properly, there are several benefits. Cargo is stored faster and more efficiently. Travel time is minimized. Safety of goods and employees is ensured. Okay, thirdly, storage. Storage is the warehouse process in which goods are placed into their most appropriate storage space. When done properly, the storage process fully maximizes the available space in your warehouse and increase labor efficiency. Okay, the fourth one is picking. Picking is the warehouse process that collects product in a warehouse to fulfill customer orders. Since it's the costliest process in the warehouse, comprising as much as 55% of the total operating expenses. Optimizing this process will allow you to reduce costs significantly and increase your warehouse efficiency. Streamlining of this process should also focus on achieving higher accuracy, as errors can have direct impact on your customer satisfaction. The fifth one is packing. Okay. Packing is the warehouse process that consolidates picked items in a sales order and prepare them for a shipment to the customer. One of the primary tasks of packing is to ensure that damage are minimized from the items leave the warehouse. Additionally, packaging must be light enough so as not to increase the weight of the goods and minimal enough to control packaging costs. Okay, lastly, shipping. Okay. Shipping is the final warehouse process and the start of journey of goods from warehouse to the customers. Shipping is considered successfully only if the right order is sorted and loaded, is dispatched to the right customer, travels through the right transit mode, and is delivered safely and on time. Previous processes such as ordering, put away, picking, and packing are also vital to the success of shipping because they greatly affect whether the order is fulfilled accurately and safe. Okay, next is cross-docking process. Okay, essentially, cross-docking removes the storage link of the supply chain. Products are unloaded from truck or railroad car, sorted and directly reloaded onto outbound truck or rail cars to continue their journey. Okay. Products going to the same destination can easily be consolidated into fewer transport vehicles. Alternatively, large shipments can also be broken down into smaller groups for easier delivery. Okay. The process of cross-docking will not suit every warehouse needs. It is therefore important to make an informed decision as to whether cross-docking will increase the productivity, costs, and customer satisfaction for your specific business. Cross-docking can advance the supply chain for a variety of specific products. For one, unpreserved or temperature-controlled items such as food, which need to be transported as quickly as possible, can be benefited by this process. Additionally, already packed and sorted product ready for transportation to a particular customer can become a faster and more efficient process through cross-docking. Okay. Cross-docking advantage. Overall, there are several main benefits to incorporating cross-docking into your retail supply chain for warehousing. Okay. Because products are spending less time in the warehouse, inventory handling and storage costs are greatly reduced. Additionally, goods typically reach their final destination much faster, giving the retailer a competitive edge. Okay, thank you. Next.
Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Muhammad Amin bin Haji. Nombor matriks 07 DLS 19F2029. Saya akan bentangkan bahagian C, iaitu level of packaging. Number 1. Primary packaging. Primary packaging refers to the material that make direct physical contact with product. This level of packaging is often called the retail or consumer packaging of an item. Primary packaging serves two important purposes. The first is to provide ample protection for product, whether that means keep out moisture with barrier protection or cushioning against impact. The second purpose of primary packaging is usually to inform the customer and provide details about the products, use and features. This second purpose often allows you to classify label as primary packaging, such as the nutrition fact label often attached to food containers. Number 2. Secondary packaging. Secondary packaging is another level of protection that is commonly used for protection, bundling, and marketing purposes. The second packaging of product often combine multiple items together, such as the box that hold multiple cans of soda together in one convenient pack. The soda cans will be primary packaging, and the box that keeps them together is considered the secondary of packaging. Number 3. Tertiary packaging. Tertiary packaging is different from both primary and secondary packaging because it's not usually seen by the end user. There is no need for visual appeal with tertiary packaging because its main goal is to provide protection during shipping and storage. Although some companies choose to use minimal marketing at this level, tertiary packaging also provides a convenient way to move in inventory quickly with easy handling. Seterusnya, saya akan bentangkan bahagian D, yaitu layout efficient warehouse operations. Number 1. Budget considerations. Before we starting with design of your warehouse layout, it is essential to assess all your business requirements, review associated budgets, and then plan the layout accordingly. During this process, you might come across some layout designs that are more comprehensive and expensive than others, but it is recommended that you consider the most suitable and cost-efficient solution for your warehouse. Number 2. Space available. Effectively utilizing the warehouse space available can help improve inventory visibility, reduce travel time, and increase overall operational efficiency. When designing your warehouse layout, it is crucial to allocate maximum space to storage and inventory processing purposes while minimizing space for office areas, empty pallets, charging station, and the other thing. Additionally, how you decide to allocate space will impact shelving designs, installation capacity, and placement of goods inside your facility. Number 3. Flow. Ensuring the uninterrupted flow of goods, personnel, and equipment is vital to consider in the design layout for smooth functioning of your warehouse. You can avoid inefficient routes and disruption by strategically planning your warehouse layout design so as to facilitate each operation in sequentially manner. Number 4. Accessibility. While planning your warehouse layout, it is crucial to ensure easy accessibility to all the areas and products in your facility. The layout should be designed in a way that makes it easy for personnel to navigate throughout the facility while conveniently locating and picking items without having to move other products. As a result, your productivity can be enhanced and others can be fulfilled at faster rate. Number 5. Equipment. The use of different types of equipment in your warehouse, such as lifting and packing tools, pallet rack, or conveyor, can influence the layout design. By identifying the equipment needed, you can evaluate and design the most suitable layout according to your requirement and boost the productivity of your warehouse. And finally is personnel. Knowing the number of people required, their current levels of training and shift timings, and other related factors can help you design your warehouse layout in a way that doesn't limit your workforce productivity. Also, the layout must be planned in a manner that can safely accommodate new employees and their